now come to question number 8, exercise 1, phase 6 differential equations. Continuing with this, prove that the differential equation that represents all parabolas having their axis of symmetry coinciding with the x-axis. Axis of symmetry coinciding with x-axis. That means they are talking about parabolas of this type. So equation will be y, this can be taken as h comma 0. So y square is equal to 4ax minus h. So y square is equal to 4ax minus 4ah. So two unknowns are there. So order must be 2. First of all, we will fix the order. So order of any differential equation will be equal to number of arbitrary constants. So definitely this constant also you can represent by y square is equal to 4a. You can write ax minus b. In this form you can write. This is some constant. H is multiplied with a. And this is 4a is also some constant. So now 2y dash is equal to a. We have to differentiate 2 times. So again differentiate this. So 2y double dash product rule plus y dash whole square is equal to 0. And 2 will be there. So 2 take outside. So y double dash plus y dash square is equal to 0. This will be the answer. Thank you.